My legs are now toned slightly. There's hair in my mouth. I have a nice tone to my booty cheeks and legs that wasn't there before. And I was very, very busy all motherfucking day. I think it was 2 days ago. I wasn't certain, girl. No, girl. Heels. What, Brett? What heels? It's not even that I'm doing what? Remember the feet? Never forget the feet. Don't you ever forget the feet. I'm in Hawaii right now. I don't know what everyone else is doing. I just woke up. You guys can't crack me. I'm not telling you shit. Because it's a surprise and I love you and I want you to be surprised. And don't forget my feet. I won't forget your feet if you don't forget my feet. Look at my fucking nails. Jesus Christ. Sasha, I don't know her Instagram handle, but I'm going to do a post about my nails, and then y'all can get your shit done, because she is a motherfucking, she's everything. Look at these, got little butterflies in them, look. Oh, there's a little pube on it. Them hoes cute as shit. Say something. Say something. Look how tan I am, bitch. I got a fucking spray tan. Okay, wait, hold on. I don't even think we talked about this. Can y'all tell that I have a tan? Can you see? Can you tell? Can you see that? Can you tell? I got a whole full body. You can't tell? Bitch, I look tan. Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I do not look the same, bitch. Look. Look at that. Are you kidding me? That shit is tan. Yes, I do. Shut the y'all are blind. Y'all, you know what the condition you have? You're colorblind. Look at this. I'm tan. If you can't see that I'm tan, bitch, take a screenshot. Ready? Look at that. Take a screenshot. Look at that shit. You see that shit? See that brown? Now go on Google and look at that other shit. Look at me from a week ago. My shit is brown. I don't care what anyone's gonna say. I'm motherfucking brown. And I'm about to get a tan on top of my tan. Y'all can't see? I am significantly darker. Significantly. You don't see that? I don't know, whatever, who cares? I'm about to put on a bathing suit though. I can't wear this shit right now. This mother shit. What is the occasion? Should I just go out there and see what everyone's doing? Alright, I love you guys. I'm gonna go. Yes, I am tan. Remember the feet. Oh, speaking of feet, bitch. Hold on. Hold on now. Hold on. Huh? Wait a minute. Don't play with me, bitch. Don't you fucking play with me. Feet are tan too. Look how tan my feet are. Y'all want to talk shit, you're not tan. I'm so tan. Look how brown my fucking feet are. And look how even my skin tone is. My shit is never that even. Look at my feeties. Hold on. Girl. Feet on fleek. The fuck? Jesus. Feet got curves. Big feet need love too. Alright, I'm out. I love you guys. God bless. Have fun. Get a tan. Stop hating on mine. Bye.